Why did you see this opportunity to brand the unbranded area of scrubs?
Yeah, no, I thank you so much for having me. It's amazing to be here. This is an industry that's been around for 100 years and really had no change or innovation. You know, on the product side, there was a lot to be improved, and on the distribution side, you know, healthcare professionals were subjected to going into stores and strip malls, and there was racks and racks and racks of scrubs, and it was just not a great experience. So we really set out to change both. You know, create amazing products for our healthcare professionals who deserve it more than anyone, and go direct to consumer, building an amazing experience online.
So where now the opportunity for growth that clearly investors are seeing, they're piling into the new issue. How else do you develop this?
How else did we, sorry?
How else do you develop from going on now, from these scrubs direct to consumer? Is it more types of scrubs? Is it developing the products that you have on offer?
Yeah, we create scrubs and all other types of products for the healthcare community. And it's really about outfitting our healthcare professionals to go to work, to be at work, to go from work, on shift, off shift, head to toe. So, you know, beyond even scrubs, we create a ton of lifestyle offerings. Our under scrubs, our fleeces, our vests, everything that the healthcare professional needs to look good, feel good, and perform at their best.
So, Trina, though, there are some people that would look at this market and they would say it's a kind of a finite market. You're dealing with a certain subset of workers who need this or at least want this. Is there a market beyond them, or do you need to have a market beyond them?
You know, it's a massive opportunity. I mean, it's a $12 billion market in the United States. It's $79 billion globally. And we generated $263 million in net revenue in 2020. So about a 2% market share in the U.S. alone.
Yeah.
So we feel like we have a really long runway in front of us.
All right, you're a direct-to-consumer company, and to a certain extent, this was sort of a direct-to-investor IPO, something that we don't see a lot of companies doing, sort of trying to bring in the retail investor and allowing them to get a crack at this right from the start. Why do that?
You know, it was really important to us to give access to invest in FIGS pre-IPO, and it was really about, the intention there was to give our healthcare professionals access. You know, usually investing in an IPO early is really made for Wall Street insiders, and we wanted to change that and democratize this for our healthcare professionals.
So you set aside, what, about 1% in the deal for Robinhood?
Yes.
How was the experience with Robinhood? Was it seamless? Like, is this something you see continuing to evolve? You're previously, of course, a finance professional and can see the way it's evolving.
Yeah, and I think it's an incredible opportunity, and we were the first ones to do this with Robinhood, and we're just so you know, honored to be able to offer this to not only our healthcare professionals but other retail investors as well.
And I mean, this is probably a foolish question given that you just had an IPO, but is the general plan here to remain an independent company?
Yes. I mean, we really you know, are super focused on not only innovating our products, but really showing up for this healthcare community who has been through, you know, this last year and fighting for all of us at this front of the pandemic. So being an independent company to serve our healthcare community is everything to us.